In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Calendly booking page. By the end, you'll have a polished event type that reflects your availability, meeting details, and the exact information you need from invitees. Start by opening Calendly and heading to your scheduling area. From there, choose the booking schedule you want to customize. This is your event type, and it controls what people see and how they book with you. First, set the meeting duration. Pick a length that fits your workflow, whether it's a quick 15-minute intro or a deeper 60-minute session. Keep in mind how long you typically need to prepare and wrap up. That will guide your duration choice. Next, set the location. If you meet online, choose a video option so links are generated automatically. Select Google Meet to have a unique link added to each booking. If you use a video tool, make sure your account is connected in Calendly so the link is created without manual work. Now, adjust your availability. Choose the days and time windows you're willing to take bookings for this event type. This is separate from your overall working hours, so tailor it to the purpose of this meeting. Update the date range and the minimum hours of notice. The date range decides how far in advance someone can book, and the notice window protects you from last-minute meetings. For example, a 6-hour notice helps you avoid same-day surprises. Open more options to fine-tune the experience. Begin by updating the description. Add a clear summary of what the meeting covers, what to expect, and any prep materials or agenda points. This sets expectations and reduces back and forth. Set limits and buffers to control your day. Buffers add breathing room before and after meetings. Limits cap how many sessions can be booked per day. Both help prevent burnout and protect focus time. Adjust free, busy rules so a Calendly respects conflicts across your connected calendars and avoids overlapping events. This ensures your availability reflects reality. Update the invitee form with questions. Ask only what you need, name, email, and a few targeted questions that help you prepare. Keep the form short to reduce drop-off, and mark essentials as required. Use the highlight option to draw attention to important parts of the booking page in your editor or preview, ensuring the key details stand out for invitees. If this event requires payment, choose the appropriate payment setup so charges happen at booking. This streamlines your workflow and reduces no-shows. Finally, save your changes. I recommend previewing the booking page and doing a quick test booking to confirm the duration, location, availability, and questions all look and work the way you expect. That's it. Your Calendly booking page is customized and ready to share.